In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add soft edge effect to image in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to give any picture those smooth, rounded edges using the built-in masking tool. No add-ons or tricky workarounds required. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. On the home screen, you'll see a section called Recent Presentations, which is the fastest way to jump back into something you've been working on. Go ahead and click that to view your recent files, then select the presentation you want to edit. This opens your slide deck so you can get right to the image you want to soften. Click the image on your slide to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue handles around the picture, and the toolbar at the top becomes active with image-specific options. This is important because the soft edge effect we're creating is applied through the image toolbar. Now look at the top toolbar for the mask image control. It sits next to the standard crop icon and has a small drop-down arrow. If you hover over it, it should say Mask Image. Click that button to open a menu of shape masks. These masks let you clip your image into different silhouettes without permanently editing the photo. In the menu that appears, choose the category labeled Shape. From there, pick the Rounded Shape option, specifically the rounded rectangle. Click Rounded Rectangle to apply it. Instantly, your image will take on clean, softly rounded corners, creating that subtle, soft edge look that feels modern and polished while keeping your subject clear and intact. A few quick tips to help you get the most out of it. If you click away and the mask options disappear, simply reselect the image to bring the toolbar controls back. The mask is non-destructive, which means your original photo is still there. You can change or remove the mask at any time by clicking the mask image again and choosing a different shape. You can also resize or move the image after applying the mask, and the rounded edges will stay consistent. For a cohesive slide design, consider using the same rounded rectangle mask on all your images so they feel unified across different layouts. That's it. Open Google Slides, head to your recent file, select the image, use Mask Image, choose Shape, and apply the rounded rectangle. You've just added a soft edge effect in a clean, reliable way that works beautifully for presentations.